Last week I spoke about the differences between AI and automation. This week I wanted to talk about automation specifically, particularly looking at the different stages of automation through the customer journey to have a think about how AI can get involved in those once you're ready to implement them into your customer journey. So in my mind there's 5 different stages of automation through the customer journey which we can have an impact on. The first is assignation. So how do I get the right query to the right person at the right time, based on things like SLA or query type without any human intervention. The second is the data gathering part. So once that query's been assigned, how do I get all of the data that I need from all of the different systems into one spot so the advisor has what they need to give the correct response as quickly as possible. The third is the response. So that can either be automatically done by a system or automatically suggested by a system back to the advisor to make sure, or for them to verify the response that they're giving back. The fourth is then the update. So once the response has been given, how do I constantly refresh or update the customer as to the status of the query that they've asked me? And the fifth is the finalization. So once the query's been done and dealt with, how do I make sure that all the systems I got data from have their updated data sent back and everything stays synchronized? Now, in my mind, of the 5 different stages, there are 3 in particular which AI can have an impact on. That would be the assignation element, the response, and the update. The response and the update is something that we're already seeing in part people using through things like natural language understanding engines, where what they're doing is they're getting or giving more comprehensive responses back to the customer based on those AI systems. As time goes on and we get more confidence in AI, things like machine learning could have a really big impact on the assignation element, from the way that it can make more comprehensive links between data and therefore give better answers back through replies and updates. So those are the 3 areas that I think are going to have an impact on. The response is imminently, and then over time we'll see the assignation part start to take hold once we start to have more trust in the things like machine learning.